What's going on, guys? Ben here from Black Swan FX. Welcome to this week's next week gold and GJ forecast. But before we get started, guys, I just want to quickly show you this. Now, this is an awesome offer that I have on pre-sale at the moment, and it will be live in the next 1 to 2 weeks. I've hired a software engineer, and we've had some custom software built that runs alongside our current prop firm passing robot to almost fully automate the process of passing your prop firm challenges stage 1 and 2 and getting payouts as well. It does sound too good to be true, guys, but it's not. We've been doing this in the group. We've been beta testing it, guys. It's been absolutely smashing it. I'll leave the link below the video, blackswanfx.com /funded lab. There's a short video on the next page. You can watch that and then you can book a call if you want me to run you through anything. I'll give you a demo live. Anyway, let's get back over to gold and kickstart this weekly forecast. So what have we got, guys, on gold? Gold still hasn't really moved since last week. Previous monthly candle, we broke the previous monthly candle low. This previous monthly candle opened up and we broke this previous candle low. Where did the weekly candle close? Remember, because the monthly's bullish, and we was waiting for a level down here to be broken to see if the weekly was going to flip bearish. So let's see what's happened here. But so far, guys, the monthly is still bullish here. I'm just going to draw this line here. Strong S&D zone there. If we break through this S&D zone, we'll be going down and aiming for these monthly lows here. So let's go down to the weekly time frame. When it loads, I apologize. Internet's really slow in this Airbnb. Okay, so what can we see? You see this level here, the S&D zone. Now, price action is a little clearer. So what have we got here? This is the weekly low that I was waiting for price to break here. And you see we've had no candle closes below there, and the price is still bullish. So for a weekly candle close to close below here, that would turn the weekly bearish, and then that would confirm this move here, where we'd then be aiming for those weekly lows. However, price faked the low, and now it's gone back up into this daily range here. So on the weekly, we are still bullish. So monthly bullish, weekly bullish. So let's go down to the daily, see what we can see. Again, slow internet. I do apologize, guys. Okay, here we go. Things are starting to look a little more clear now. So we've got the daily high. That's been the daily high now for a couple of weeks. So we see here, this daily zone, I'm just going to draw it as a zone. I'm not going to draw it on the wick there, because if we get a daily candle close above here, then we'll have a longer term outlook on the buy side. But you can see that the daily is still consolidating in this area. So to take sells, I really want a daily close below here. Yes, a weekly close would confirm that for the longer term. However, if we do get a daily close down here, that would break this current daily low here and break us through this consolidation. And it's the same on the buy side. So right now, guys, price is just ranging up and down in this zone. And you know what they say, the longer the range, the stronger the breakout. So the longer this keeps ranging here, the larger the breakout will be when it breaks out. So if it breaks out to the buy side, we're going to be aiming for these previous highs. If it breaks out to the sell side and say, look, we're going to be aiming for those, previous monthly lows. So it's going to be a big move, guys. It's going to be a good trend setting move as well for the following weeks when we get broken out. However, we need to go down to the lower time frame so we can plan next week. Again, internet, guys, do apologize. So while we're stuck in this range, guys, so we need a daily candle close above here, or a daily candle close, below this zone here. We need a break and retest. So daily candle close here, retest, boom. Then we'll be anticipating that the trend will be continuing in whichever direction it breaks out. However, while it's in the range, we'll be using the other time frames to trade within the range. So what have we got here? I think that's let's have a look. That's the previous 4-hour high here. That got broken to broken structure. So the 4-hour is now bullish, which is very nice. So now we've got the daily bearish, we've got the weekly bullish, the monthly bullish, and the 4-hour bullish. So the low here that we need to see a candle close is actually here. We see a 4-hour candle close below this zone, then we can be looking for sells. Oops, wrong one. Then we can be looking for sells to fill this imbalance here, back into this demand, where we could then be looking for buys. Wait for confirmation here. If we don't get confirmation that isn't respected, price will probably break through here. If we get a daily close, then that's what we said on the higher time frame. We're looking for, that sell side for the coming days. However, while we're bullish here, we're looking for buys. So if price holds this level here, no 4-hour candle closes, then we can be looking for buys from this level back to these previous highs here. And if we break this and obviously get on top of here, then we can be looking to trade back to that daily high. Let's be looking at here. So if we go to the 1 hour, see what's happening on the 1 hour chart. Again, do apologize, guys. So you see the 1 hour bullish as well. So 1 hour, 4 hour, weekly, monthly, and we are bullish. Daily, we are bearish. So this zone here, I drew it on Friday actually for the members. If we get an hour close below here, then we can be looking to sell in this direction. We need to get an hour close, hour retest, hour continuation, boom, and that will confirm the 4 hour candle close as well and confirm this direction. We do look like we're getting some form of head and shoulder pattern here. So we've got to be wary of this. If we do get confirmation here for buys, we'll be looking to take price up to this level, TP, and if we break through this, we've got to see the reaction there. If it just breaks straight through, awesome. But if you start rejecting this level, then it could be a good place to, take profit, anticipating that this could turn into a head and shoulders, reverse, and confirm that sell down to fill that imbalance. So for gold, guys, that's what I'm looking at for coming out the market. We're just ranging on the daily. We need to get daily close out of here. And while we're waiting for that daily breakout of this consolidation, we're just trading the lower time frame trends between the range, and that's it, guys. So let's jump over onto GJ, see what's going down in the land of GJ. Look, we got some good positions in last week. We didn't actually I didn't call this one here in the group. I did call it, but we didn't take it because it was a small range. And you can see what happened here. Look, yes, it broke through this time, but sometimes you get to a key level like this, 179. Look, and it'll tap it and it'll bounce down like this. It'll reject like that. And, that could have well happened here. So we wasn't going to take that risk for, a negative risk to reward. We wanted to get on top of here, and then price retested. And it didn't quite fill this imbalance. Look, I was looking for this buy here. I had an alarm set here. But again, I was super busy building out the funding lab last week. So I drew these up for the members. And we ended up taking this one here, this moon one, to the moon, which was a nice trade. And we did actually get taken out by this news here. And then it went up. So a few more members did enter there. Nice positions though. Price played out every single time, almost perfectly. So very nice. Anyway, let's get back onto the forecast. So monthly, we're still pushing, guys. Look at that candle, beautiful. So remember, we've got a couple of targets up here on the monthly. We're going to use previous levels of support and resistance. Where is my straight line? There we go. So there's our first target. Price is already above there. Second target. Be aiming here. See, the imbalance here is a good place to also take profit if we're trading up to, because we might get some rejection there. However, if bulls are in control, then these you don't have to worry about. The same as if bears are in control, the bullish demand zones you don't have to worry about, because if you're on the side of the market, then price will just break through them. You might get a little reaction, but price will just continue. So monthly, clearly bullish here. Weekly, oh, look at that weekly candle close. What I want to see now, when I see this, all I want to see, new weekly candle open up, boom, open up. Oh, give me a sec. I don't know what it's doing there. Oh no, that's all I want to see here. I want to see this key level here, 181, psychological level, 000. I want to see this level hold. See price open up, hold the high, pull back, and start rejecting from here. That's exactly what I want to see. I want to see support be made there. So bullish on the weekly, bullish on the daily. Like GJ is pushing now. GJ is trending nice. Like for me, GJ is looking a lot better to take positions on next week over gold. But again, look here, daily. So what I want to see here, guys, daily pull out and make support here. If price doesn't hold this level and the price, breaks below, then we could be looking, at a retracement all the way down to fill this imbalance here. So it's quite a good key level here to look for, a bounce or breach situation. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. Again, market might open up and it might just keep pushing up and up and up. I hope it doesn't do that, because I want it to pull back, consolidate here, and give us some good buying opportunities for the beginning of next week. Or again, alternatively on the sell side, it breaks through here, break and retest. We've got this nice clean range. Look at the candles to the left-hand side to trade into. It could be a very, very nice trade there as well. But we just got to see what happens on the open. However, with the weekly and the monthly, we are aiming for these higher time frame targets up here. Price is very bullish. And, if we did get sells here as well, sells when the market's pushing like this, especially on the higher time frames, I'm not using full risk on sells there. And again, look here. So we come down to 4 hour now, opening price up a little bit more. So again, what we might see as price opens up, it's consolidating here, look. So we could see a continuation straight out of here. I mean, where's the next psychological level? We're sitting on 182. So we're sitting on a psychological level anyway. Where is it? 182 here. So, you know, price could quite easily break up here and carry on going up there like this. So I'm just going to be waiting for either this here, this confirmation breakout and trading up through the levels again, or I'll be waiting for a fake out of this. If price breaks below here, you know, we might have a sell opportunity coming in down here. Where is the last hour support? Yeah, I mean, look, the last 1 hour demand zone was here. So price has got to pull back soon. So as I said, look, if price pulls back here, this will be a nice zone actually. If price pulls back, gives us that 1 hour demand zone here, and then that higher time frame continuation. That'll give us a weekly pullback on the, you know, the new weekly candle that's opening. It makes sense on the daily, you know, as we've just been to on the 4 hours. That would make sense. And here is a very nice place actually to take full risk buys once we get down here with confirmation, because we've got a big range to trade into as well. So very, very nice zone there. And that's it, guys. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you've got any questions, as I say, post them in the Discord. If you remember, if you've got any questions about membership, post on the website live chat. And apart from that, guys, I mean, we're live every single day in the Discord. Here, look, you can come on. Free Discord is public here, so you can come on, look at the results here. You know, people smashing prop firm challenges every single day. So the Funded Lab is here to help people smash challenges and get paid out on autopilot, guys. Absolutely insane what we're building here, and this is just the beginning. And as I say, we're live. I'm live every single day as well, 4 or 5 hours. So that's it, guys. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday and smash next week. Bosh.